Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is July 18th, 2017, and this is a little bit more details on the earning trades that I do, how I find them, why I play what I play, and a little bit more, details on what I'm actually doing here with earning trades. Again, this is all for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. You can and will lose money at trading. Do not trade if you do not have disposable cash at all. Uh, First of all, check with your financial advisor, check with your significant other, see if trading is something suitable for you. This here is not a trade recommendation. It will be over by the time this video gets out there anyway. This is a trade for today. So I'm gonna switch over to the screen where I'm actually making my selection and how I'll show you a little bit more about that. Apply. Okay. Yes, I use this site FinViz, actually a pretty good little site for finding, trades and things that you would like to trade. I love it for earnings. Right now, as you can see, I got all selected. First of all, I'm looking for the way I trade earnings. There's two ways of actually trading earnings, and I'm going to show one of them. And I'm going to show a way that was presented to us yesterday at our option meetup group. This is not a trade recommendation. This is not a trade strategy recommended. Again, learn and understand this trade before you actually do this trade. But I'm going to show it because it seems like it does work, So let me show you, and let me get in here. First of all, how do I find stuff? First of all, FinViz is going to show, you can actually go to FinViz. You can show stuff that's before the market, after the market, tomorrow, this week, last week, this week, next week, this month, so you can actually, find out what's up and coming. Sign up, and you can get even custom. You do even custom search on stuff. But me, all I need is a general little search. I just want to know what's the day after the market. I like trading stuff that trades over $1 million. They should have good options. So that's the reason why I choose those two. So in our list, it came up with 5 different stocks. Now let's take a closer look at these 5 stocks. So let's switch over to the screen where we can take a look at the option change. That's what I look at first. Apply change. Okay. The first one that I'm looking at is the bottom one that was on the list, UAL. UAL is definitely one that has options. Number one, you want it to be optionable. That's something that I could have selected on the other side, but I didn't. And then you want to make sure there's some juice, that volatility is there in those options. There's other ways of actually looking at the implied volatility. Is what you really want to look at. You don't care like how they was telling us, you don't care about historical volatility. And there's another one that again I don't even know. All I look for is juice in my options. Now this is the strategy that he was talking about yesterday. He was talking about selling stuff right at the money, right where it's trading at. It's trading at 78.68, so your at the money option is going to be 78.50. So I sell a put there and I sell a call there. And the credit that I get, it's only a 50-cent spread here. So the credit that I actually get on this is 50 cents. So what I have to actually put up on this trade is only 2 cents. It's kind of like almost hard to lose on trade, you would think. So we're going to watch this. We're going to play this one all the way out until tomorrow. So I sold a put spread. A spread is selling a call, buying a call, or selling a put, buying a put, and receiving a credit when you're actually doing a credit spread. So let's go ahead and do a send and confirm on this one. I know I'm going pretty quick. You collect, doing 10 contracts, you collect $408. My buying power effect is only $20. My maximum loss on this trade should be only, $20, because again, the spread that I'm doing is a 50-cent spread. It's really like a 500 spread. I'm collecting $480 of that spread. So if this trade goes against me on one side, if I lose 500, lose all of it on that one side, the most that I can lose is this $20. So again, That's why everybody likes this trade, got really excited about when they saw this trade. And we should be able to close this thing tomorrow after the earnings play for less than this $480 that we collected. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to the market, and we're going to watch this one tomorrow. So let me send it now. We actually did collect. Let's go take a look at it. You see our trade is in place. We're going to look to close that tomorrow for less than that 48 cents that we actually collected. Let's go look at the monitor tab. You'll see other things that I already have on. And one of the other ones that we're going to take a look at. But I use this one right here. Let me see how it's hard to. Where is it? Credit. We actually got a 49-cent credit. This is the virtual account, though. And in the live account, you will get close to that too. That 48 cents, probably not, maybe not the 49 cents. But I just want to show you that, and we're gonna look at this one tomorrow. So now let's go back over to the trade tab, and as you notice on these particular trades, it's all about the options. It's not really so much worth. It's also worth it trading at. This is the volatility crush trade, we also call it. So let's take a look at the next one that was on the list. NABI. Okay, on this one, options are ugly. You're not getting any kind of credit on these options unless you plant in the money. So you end up passing on something like this. No money, no money, no money. I don't care what the chart looks like. If you really want to sell something at the money or out of the money, you don't want to take that kind of risk. At $2.50. But let me just show you. If you try selling a vertical on this one, you collect like $1.10, on that. And let's try to see if I can sell a vertical on this side. Again, you have to be in the money. And let me see if I can do this. Control sell vertical. Nope. I did that wrong. Let me delete that again. Delete. Let's try it again. Sell vertical. And then over here, you want to sell sell vertical. There we go. Collect $2.40, and you're doing that same type of trade where you're at the money. And again, with a $2 and something spread, that should work. But I'm only going to do one. We only want to follow one. But I'm just showing you this is what's out here around earnings times. So I'm going to delete that, and let's go look at the next one. But I'm not trading this one. I usually like when there's a little bit more juice. I know I'd be able to close these trades, a little bit better. Should I do this one? No, let's not do that one. Okay, let's look at IBM. IBM was another one. You got money all over the place on this one. Again, you can sell something a little further out if you want to. A spread, again, you got dollar spreads. That's what you like to see. So normally I would be looking to sell way out here somewhere, sell vertical, or sell single, based on your account size and all what you want to do. As you can see, my trade that I already have put on, I sold a little bit at the money, almost at the money on this one right here, and that's where I ended up selling that. But again, I'm looking at options that had some juice in them. Let's look at the other one, CSD. CSX, not VX. CX. Again, this one has a little juice in it. Again, this one is another one. Again, be willing to trade. Again, you're looking at selling something that's going to be expiring very soon. This is the only other time that I like selling weekly on something that's going to be expiring in less than 5 days. So again, when you're selling, that's what you want. You want time to be on your side. So let's take another look at another one, AMX. AMX. AMX is another one that I would not trade. Again, I don't think there's enough juice in these options. Again, for me to be trading, no money if you try selling them. Again, this is trading at $17. So your at the money option would be this $25 one that you'll be trying to sell a vertical. And selling a vertical, you only get 20 cents. You got 80 cents that you got to be trying to protect, and all that you're going to be responsible for. And if you did his at the money type trade, it's still 17 on this side, and we sold it vertical. Again, you're only getting 50 cents with a dollar spread, 60 cents with a dollar spread. That's nothing like those other ones that we were looking at where we were getting just about the total spread. We're getting 48, 49 cents of a 50-cent spread. We were getting $2.40 of a $2 and something spread. And that's what you're really looking for. These are the ones you don't trade. The one that we did trade, you know, was, go back again, was we did an iron condor. We're selling, you know, a call spread and a put spread, and we did it at the money so we can kind of demonstrate what they were talking about yesterday at our meetup and stuff. So that's what I really want to kind of show, and show why we do what we do and how we go about selecting what we select. But again, as you can see, this time there's no need to looking at the charts. The prices are right there in front of you on the trade tab, and you really since you're selling both sides of the market, you're just doing a volatility trade. You're looking for volatility to come out of these options and you to make money. So we'll go ahead and do the second one on IBM. IBM is the other one that I did like. Let me see if I can actually do it. IBM. See, I did an at the money already trade on this one, so it'll be kind of hard to do a second trade here in the account on that trade, so I can't do it. But on this position here, I just did it naked, which was a single. Only, again, when I trade singles, I usually trade no more contracts than I'm willing to hold in my account. And if this trade ends up going against me, that can be bad, but I'm a willing buyer of IBM 400 shares if needed. And if it ends up getting put to me, what I end up doing is selling calls against that until I'm at a point where I can actually sell the stock, underlying stock itself. It does take a little away from my buying power, but still you got to have money to trade, you know, in your account when you're doing these type of trades. And you know, you don't trade your whole account. You just trade enough, and you trade enough where you're going to have money still left to trade the next day. So that's what you need to look at. That's the thing that you have to consider when actually placing these type of trades. And I see this market is up a little bit higher than where I actually got in at. It's at 281. We're still trading at 280 something, 290 something. But that's all I really want to share right now. Again, this is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side at confidence. I'll be posting this video up here immediately after the market is closed, letting you know this is not a trade recommendation. This is just for educational purposes only, where you can see how I go about selecting what I select and how I go about trading what I trade. Again, thank you for viewing. Have a great week trading. It's been a good week so far. Let's keep it going through this earnings season. Talk to you later.